In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a logo to a Facebook business page. First, go to Facebook and log into your account using your usual login details. Make sure you are signed in to the account that manages the business page where you want to update the logo. Once you are logged in, look to the left side menu or open your profile menu and find your Facebook business page. Click on the page name to open it. After your business page loads, go to the page profile area and select Edit Profile. This will open the settings for your public page image and other profile details. In this section, you will be able to update the profile picture that represents your business across Facebook. Next, find the profile picture area and click the pencil icon on the current image. This will open the option to change the picture. Choose the Upload option. Then browse your computer for the logo file you want to use. Select the correct file and upload it to Facebook. Once the image is uploaded, Facebook will usually give you a chance to adjust how the logo appears inside the circular frame. This step is important because profile pictures on Facebook are often displayed as circles, even if the original file is square or rectangular. Move the image carefully so that the main part of the logo stays centered and easy to read. If your logo includes text, make sure it is not cut off around the edges. Keep the design clean and visible so it looks professional on both desktop and mobile devices. When the logo is positioned the way you want, click Save to apply the change. Facebook will then update your business page with the new profile image. After that, your logo will appear on the page itself and in other places where your business page is shown on the platform. If needed, take a quick look at the page after saving to make sure the logo appears clearly. If the image looks too small or parts of it are cropped, you can go back into the same profile picture settings and upload a better version or reposition the current one. Using a clear and well-positioned logo helps your business page look more polished and recognizable. It also makes it easier for people to identify your brand when they visit your page or see your content on Facebook. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.